veal bones for a veal stock.
Yep, for veal stock.
Isn't that so pretty? Look at that. And y'all, it smells so amazing. Check it out. Student cut their hand. The bone in the chicken. Me. I cut my hand, guys. It's okay. It's just a slice. Them knives are so sharp that you don't even realize that you're cut until you started bleeding. So there you go. How I did this, guys, it was my fault. I didn't have my cutting glove on the right hand. This is my cutting glove. I am right-handed. It should have been on my left hand. I had it on my right hand. When the chef realized it, he told me to change it, but I didn't realize that it was cut. So that's what happened. I'm good. Week number 4, the bone in the whole chicken. Cutting the whole chicken, cutting up chickens. I'll show you a little bit.
So that's going to help us pick it up once I put it in this kettle. Now, all of this burnt, all this stuff at the bottom, you think it's like burnt stuff. It's actually, with that word, if you had your culinary terms, that word thawed, it means scrapings in the bottom of the pan. So we win all that stuff. So once I dump this into the kettle, I'm going to deglaze this pan. We usually use red wine, but all she had was white wine. I'm going to glaze this pan with all that white wine. It's going to bring all that stuff up. That's good stuff. I'm going to dump that into the kettle and let that cook with it. All right? So I'm going to do that next.
So you're going to scrape it now?
Yeah, I'm going to take this and dump it. And then I'm going to deglaze it and scrape it. And it helps because it'll help clean the whole pan, and your dishwasher won't be flushing you out.
So you throw whole onions, whole garlics without cutting them or peeling or anything?
Yes.
Oh, y'all see that? Y'all want to say hi to Vernon today?
Hey, everybody.
I'm only a kitchen cook, so I don't know none of this stuff. Y'all look at that. You want a taste of it? It smells amazing. This is our big stock pot, y'all. And that's the fawn?
This is going to be the fawn. Alright, so we're going to deglaze this pan. Let me get this one done first, though.
Y'all look at that. This is so neat.
Want to pair it?
And this is like a cheap wine. You really don't want to use this. You want to use a good wine. If you ever cook with wine, cook with something that's tasteful that you would drink.
Like a Stella Rosa?
Yes.
I use Stella Rosa.
Like a dry
I drink
or
it.
what?
It depends on what you use it, but if you like dry wine, what happens, you cook with wine, you want to use a good wine because the alcohol is going to cook out.
Gotcha.
But you still don't want the flavor from it.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't set it on fire like they do on TV?
You could. Well, not here. Alright, so here,
He's adding the wine, guys.
we call what they call deglazing the pan. Alright, we're going to do both of these.
A lot of wine. You got to mix it in.
It's called the fawn scraping from the bottom of the pan, but it's all flavor. So you don't want to lose all that flavor.
I definitely want to taste this. When it's all done.
Yeah, it's going to be just a
But
stock.
you're going to use it for a soup?
Good stock.
Eventually?
You're going to use it for soup. You're going to use it when you make your brown sauce, your Espanol sauce. So you'll use it for a couple of things.
So we can do it for the Italian sausage.
And this is?
That's the sauce, and we can ready to saute it in this pan right now. I'm going to throw it in here.
Okay.
Saute it in the pan.
Okay.
All together, so...
The sizzle. I love the sizzle. Yes! I live for that sizzle, though.
Pan got to be hot.
Yes.
Pan got to be hot.
And we just got to saute it a little bit, you know, so
It's the
stick it on the
sizzle.
flavor.
All right, guys. We having lunch, so once lunch is prepared, I'll show you guys the finished rolls. We fixing our rolls. I think we're having Italian sausage subs, Cynthia.
Yes.
So she's sausage and peppers. Woo. So she's prepping the rolls. This is our veal, the veal stock that we saw earlier. We're gonna let that simmer in the kettle overnight, and then we have the chicken broth. This is chicken, and yes, it's everything, y'all. It looked like trash, but it's all seasoning. And then me, I'm doing dishes. I'm doing dishes, y'all. I'm doing dishes. I'm on dish duty. So let me see. I'm doing dishes, Cat. We gotta stay on top of the dishes. Teamwork make the dream work. Y'all know how that be. Can't copy this one. These are the pots that we made our fun in, so we're scrubbing these.
She's still thinking these dishes here.
Alright, y'all. I'll be back. Elbow deep. This is our lunch for the day, y'all. I think I told you, for the new subscribers, we prepare our own lunch every day. We got sauteed peppers, garlic, pasta sauce, the peppers, rolls, water for drink. We got some rice coming. Oh, you gonna butter that thing? Yes. Yep. I'm gonna let y'all go because it's time to eat. Okay. Okay, guys. I got a little overwhelmed at lunchtime, so I did not get to show you what I was eating. But you guys did get to see the food, and it was delicious. It was delicious. You guys probably looking and wondering why I have on 2 masks. Well, guess what? They're making us wear 2 masks. If we don't have the N90. The N90 mask. So we're going to try to track down some for me. Because y'all, I don't do well with 2 masks. I have asthma. I've had sarcoidosis before. So y'all be careful while y'all out there. So we get ready to hit these floors. We get ready to hit these floors. The process for that is, it's been swept already. We gotta spray it. Then my other classmate is gonna deck it. Decking it with the brush. I have the squeegee. We're gonna dry mop and wet mop. And that's the floor. And then we're going in the glass. So we're just waiting to start the process. Talk to y'all later. Alright guys, we're closing day 2 of culinary school. I have a lot to study tonight. We got a chance to bring our books home. I gotta get out of this coat, y'all. It's too much. I got on a coat and a hoodie and all this extra stuff trying to stay warm. It's really, really cold here. I'm on the hunt for N95 masks because our school is making us double masks. And I want to tell y'all to be careful because my dad tested positive for COVID and he's been vaccinated and boosted. His sister, my aunt, let me know today. Auntie Annie's Pretzels, let me know if y'all ever had them before. They were $1. They were $1 today. And I'm hungry. So I came in Walmart to find masks. N95 masks. They don't have any. So my husband ordered some from Amazon. And they should be here by Friday. Hopefully. Y'all know what happened when they make masks mandatory. You can't find them anywhere. So our chef teacher is out sick. I'm assuming she's sick. Okay. So we have Chef Tim from the school upstate. And y'all, he's great. I love him. He's a good teacher. He explains very well. as you can see in the video. So, I'm headed home. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Got a lot of studying to do. Shower. Grab in the bed with my books. And chill tomorrow. Signing off. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know about your new cooking channel. 2 Forks, where cooking is therapy and food is life. So keep cooking, good looking. See you tomorrow. I'm trying my hardest to study, but my eyes are closing. I even got a study buddy. Check out my study buddy. Check out my study buddy. Check out my study buddy, y'all. I don't know if I can get through this chapter tonight. I'm sleepy. Serve, safe, manager. Yeah. This is where I'm at. I read the whole chapter 1, did the assessments. Start reading chapter 2, and my eyes start closing. So I think that's it for a little bit. I think I'm going to take a break. Student, adult student, content creator, wife, business owner, entrepreneur. We got this. Good morning, beautiful cookers. Before I get too far into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share out, and please turn on your post notification bell. Day 2, week 4 of Culinary School, guys. We are here. We are here. We are here. Yesterday we cut up whole chickens, but I didn't do a video for you guys. I was too busy to even stop, and y'all know chicken is just so disgusting. So raw chicken is so disgusting, and I didn't want to be touching on it, putting my hands on it and stuff, and touching the phones and all that stuff. So I didn't do too much of that. But today I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I just know that the stocks that we did yesterday, they were cooking overnight. They were roasting overnight in the big kettle, and I forgot what that other pan is called, but he said that we can open them and look at them. So I want to see how they look this morning. I want to see how they look. So if no one hasn't opened it yet, I'm gonna go look, figure out how to open it and see how it looks. Everybody is so friendly. I'm sure they know that I'm a YouTuber now. So now, let's go look at this. Oh, this is what I want to check. Nope. Still in the dryer. Still in the washer. I'm putting y'all up here. So we wash our own towels and stuff every day. So I forgot to check the dryer, which any of us can do it. It's not just my responsibility. To put them in there. So what's in here? And my curtain rod. Is my curtain rod in there? I don't see her. Where you at, boo? I thought I was in my curtain rod in there. Oh yeah, there she is. There she is, guys. I ain't even been in the classroom yet. I just thought about this first. I just thought about this first. It's what I did. Alright. These were from yesterday. I can check. I'll come back and check. I think our drawer is full. So that's gone. Now, let's go look at these. Are these stalks? I think it's almost dirty. That's better. Oh, I'm coming. I said, oh, yes. Talking to the people.
Oh, look at that nice chicken stock we got.
Oh, y'all live.
Stock over there.
See, I told y'all I was coming to see. I went and I took the child and put them in the dryer. We forgot yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
I just did it.
My blood is in there.
Yeah, mine is too. Veal, baby. Y'all see that? Ooh. We can taste. I gotta go get my clothes off first. Let me get undressed. Let me put my books and stuff down. Oh, it's hot. All right, y'all. Classroom day. Do we have pancake mix or like? Isn't a waffle iron here?
I don't know.
We can do chicken and waffles.
For lunch?
Yeah, y'all think so?
You kidding? Hey, you doing it? You doing it?
No, I'm not. I'm not the sous chef.
Yeah, you are.
You just try to throw me under the bus.
There's no sous chef.
What time is
Everybody
it?
just do what they want to do.
Oh yeah. What time is it, y'all? My phone is.
Quarter minutes.
Today is Wednesday.
I'll see you at the parking lot. It's a nice
Time
car.
out, time in. Thank you.
I looked at it when you pulled out. Oh, that's a nice
That's
car.
my blessing. Come on, let's taste this. Let me taste this. He said we can taste.
Oh yeah, you spoon and
Yes.
really, really hot.
Yes. All right, y'all. We're gonna do a taste test. Let me put y'all up here. Let me put y'all up here. Hey, y'all. Hey. All right. And this one over here is the. I just want to take it raw. Nothing's looking at you. Oh, it smells good. Here, smell. Yummy. Ooh, the flavors. Y'all, it just needs some salt, and that's it. Yes. Don't ever double dip. Okay, hold on, let me get up. That's real hot. Let me cleanse my palate. And this is the chicken wing. Yes. Yes. Okay, you can tell that they have the same base because you kind of taste same flavors in each one. But you know that this is chicken and you know that this is veal. I like the chicken better. But it's also a familiar flavor, so you go with what you know. So, they turned out good, guys. Let me give y'all one more look. Check it out. That's the chicken. And this is the veal. She hot too, baby. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. They're gunning for me to cook today. So we can do chicken. Y'all, I'm looking for some barbecue sauce. The chicken is in the freezer. I think he probably had his mom see. See, that's it. But we need the ingredients. Let's go in the other pantry. That's not the one I want to go in. This is the one. Ooh, it is cold in here. We got rice, but I really don't want rice. So we might not have much of an option. I'm not a big shell person. I wonder if we got some shrimp and some cucumbers and tomatoes. With chicken and waffles, baby. We got the complete buttermilk. We might do chicken and waffles. Cause we got some biscuit and then we got Aunt Mama complete. Y'all know that's a whole box cause it's pearl milling now. Yes. I wonder if we got a waffle arm. Cause if so, we're going with chicken and waffles. We got syrup. I see pancake mix. He talking about for lunch. That's Southern. He don't know nothing about that. He's New Jersey. It's some Cairo, some agave. Okay, it's some stuff down there. Alright. That'll work. Okay, I'm looking at the seasons. To season the chicken. I need some mustard. Always do that thing open. Do we have a waffle arm? I'm looking. Oh, is that a waffle arm? Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm looking for a waffle arm. It would be here if we had one. Our original chef is not here. Y'all, I want one of these. Oh, you know what? There's some stuff under here. I don't see no waffle. Let me ask. Alright, guys. Today I am cooking. I was gonna do chicken and waffles, but we don't have a waffle iron. So, chicken, rice, and onion is what we're gonna do. I just seasoned my chicken. We're gonna saran wrap it like I do at home. Garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, a little Lowry, mustard powder. All seasoned and ready. Got both of the stuff, look, dishes. Our dishwasher is being worked on. So that's we got dishes. Ron is the only one working. Why did you decide to come to culinary school?
To empty garbage cans and clean up.
I'm gonna edit that part, y'all. I'm editing that part. Guys, if you guys are wondering what we did with that stop, We made black eyed pea soup, and y'all, it is everything. We took some of that chicken stock, some of that veal stock, poured it in there. We had some black eyed peas. We had a ham bone up in that bad baby, and some thick cut pork chop. Kind of pan seared them bad boys and threw them in there. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Black eyed pea soup. These are orders that are made for the public. We do soups here, and you can actually purchase the soups. I don't know if they ship, so too bad. Today we had green beans, fried chicken, and chicken tenders. Vernon, we did not have any sweet relish, so Vernon diced up some sweet cherubins for me. Vernon also diced up onions for me. These are some boiled eggs that were left over that I'll probably eat tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, and we're gonna make spaghetti. So this was left over from yesterday's. We had sauce, and we got more sausages. We're gonna take those sausages along with some beef and make a nice spaghetti, y'all. So that's for lunch tomorrow. This is a plate that I made for my husband. This is what we had for lunch today. This is what we had for lunch today. Potato salad, green beans, fried chicken, and of course, this butter is the bomb. It's a garlic bacon infused butter, and y'all, it's the life. I promise you, it was so good. It was so good. So that's just about today. I didn't do a lot of recording because I cooked today. Seasoned, floured chicken, all that stuff is what I did today. Now we're ending our day, so I'll talk to you guys when I get in the car. Toot-toot. Oh, we baking bread too, guys. Oh, the bread is out. Cool. It smells so good. Rolls. Done. Booyah. All right, y'all.
Burning sauce. Let me take my mask off. Yeah.
We are having the most time getting this sauce seasoned. Vernon is just being very difficult with me, the chefs. He's just not listening. He's going to put sugar in the spaghetti. So my question, guys, sugar or no sugar? Comment below. Do you put sugar in your spaghetti, or do you not put sugar in your spaghetti? Please comment below and let me know. His pasta is overcooking because he's not listening to anyone. Thank God for Chef Tish. She added some real flavor to the sauce because, baby, look, I don't know what Vernon is doing. Now he's adding mushrooms, guys. Why are you adding mushrooms? What does mushroom do to the sauce? We just learned in the class. Do you remember?
No, it doesn't need any more salt. Please. I tasted it.
What does mushrooms do to the dish?
All right, hold on. Let me get the mushroom.
Can you tell me?
Add flavor.
Okay. Add flavor. Okay, that'll work. Y'all, I barely recorded today. It's been a real hectic day. A real hectic day. Oh, Lord. This thing is super full. I wonder if I can just throw it over the top. I'm doing trash. Yep, I can throw it over the top. Y'all, this bag is heavy. Ooh. Can y'all hold on for me while I do the trash? Hold on while I do trash. Hold up. Come on here. Behind the trash bin. Culinary school, the dirty, the clean, the good, and the bad. Alright, let me turn y'all up. Y'all can see the top of my head. Hey! Y'all love. I'm gonna have to Geronimo this one. Geronimo! it's been one of them days. For real. For real. Y'all can only see the top of my head. 2 masks all day. We had spaghetti for lunch. We made roux. A brown roux and a white roux. I'll show you pictures of the roux when I go back in. These are nice little crates. I wonder if I can have these. These nice. I wonder if she'll let me have them. And they clean. I can do stuff with this. I can put one of them in the back of my trunk. For groceries and stuff. First time doing trash. Really. My feet are hurting. It feels so good. This is to be out of this mask, y'all. My feet hurt. We got a test tomorrow. My back hurt. So I'm going home. I'm going to soak my feet, sit on my back massager, take my muscle relaxer, put my feet in my foot spot, as y'all can hear me over this loud trash can. And then I'm studying, okay? So I see y'all. Here is my brown roux. My brown roux! Yay! I will tell you guys how I made it. And then here is my white roux. Look at that, y'all, and it tastes so good. I think I added too much white pepper, but it's really good. First roux I ever made professionally. Yay, to the moon! That is what kind of day. That is what kind of day that we have had today. 3 people, 3 students, y'all. All I want to say is take the bitter with the sweet, and I won't complain. Week 4, day 4, culinary school at the Food Bank of Delaware. Y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all in the morning. I love y'all. Deuces. Woo, thank you for watching. 2 Forks where cooking is therapy and food is life. So keep cooking.